Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy. I like your style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your chillest analysts. Today is Nedbank Cup competitions and Pirates are up against Marumo Gallants, and I'd like to know your predictions for the game. My predictions for the game, obviously I'm gonna give it to Orlando Pirates. The reason why I say Orlando Pirates is because we've seen what they're capable of, and I think Orlando Pirates coming all the way from playing in the CAF Champions League and competing in the league. I mean, being the second spot, it says a lot. I mean, it's something that we should be careful of because if you can check some of the matches, the way Orlando Pirates was playing, it's a totally different team from what we've seen in the past years. I mean, the way they have a sense of knowledge of how to win the matches and how to defend the matches. I mean, sometimes if you watched the matches that they played, they were not even trying hard to score the goals. What they were doing, they were making sure that they get what they came for at the end of the day, which we know normally is 3 points or is making sure that they win and go to the next stage. So yes, guys, today's match between Orlando Pirates and Marumo Gallants is really going to be a very entertaining match to watch, especially if you can check the last match between these two teams. Marumo Gallants managed to win against the Orlando Pirates, where they were playing in the league. But I know that these are two different things. The league is different from the Nedbank Cup, so I understand that it's totally different. But if you can check, Marumo Gallants is also a team not to take for granted, guys. So yes, guys, Orlando Pirates will be hosting Marumo Gallants in the Orlando Stadium. So the match is gonna start 3 o'clock, where I hope some of us will be ready to watch the match. So yes, guys. So my prediction is that Orlando Pirates is going to win by 3 goals to 0, and the guys who are gonna score those goals, I'll give the last goal, which will be Relebohile Mofokeng will be the scorer of the last goal. As we all know that each and every important game, he makes sure that he score the last goal of the match, and then the goal number 1 and goal number 2, it will be of course Mabasa. Yes, guys. So Marumo Gallants, I know that it's a very tough opponent, especially coming into these big stages, because maybe I think they are also surprised that they've reached where they are in this competition, because they're not doing well in the league at all. So I think they also aware that they've put themselves in another situation whereby they're gonna need to react, where uh, so I think them reacting, they will be using it's either low block or middle block, because I don't think they can go pound to pound with Orlando Pirates. As we all know that Orlando Pirates is a big team now in South Africa, coming second behind Mamelodi Sundowns, which obviously in the past 2 seasons, Mamelodi Sundowns only managed to win 2 cups, and Orlando Pirates managed to win 5 cups, guys. So yeah, that's the difference. One could say that Orlando Pirates are the best team, just that Orlando Pirates haven't won the league yet. So yes, guys, Coach Jose Rivero, I think he's gonna make sure that his team is focused coming to this match, because we know that Jose Rivero is not a loser, guys. As much as some of the players, important players, are on injuries, but I think he's gonna make sure that he improvises and he makes sure that he delivers quality as he always does. I mean, who does that? This coach, he can bring a young talent from the MDC and then bring him to come play in the CAF Champions League. So that guy, it shows that he has a nerve. So yes, guys. That's what we want to see in football. So here is how I think Orlando Pirates is going to line up today. In the midfield, obviously Orlando Pirates, they like to compact the midfield because they know most of the teams, they like to use the midfield. They like to play those pocket passes. Most of the teams, they believe that in the midfield you're supposed to have star players, players that don't lose the ball at all. So obviously, the goalkeeper is going to be Sipho China because this match is important. At the left back for Orlando Pirates, we are going to play Dion Hoto. Two centre backs is going to be Mbekezeli Mbokazi as well as CBC, our captain. On the right hand side, we're going to play Diano van Rooyen so that he can enjoy the flank. We know what he can do on the side. The midfield, Orlando Pirates is going to play with two attacking midfielders and one defensive midfielders, which is Makaula will be defend today, and then Talent Mbata as well as Dlamini. Dlamini is gonna start the match today, but we know that also Maswanganyi is optional. But I'll start Dlamini for now, and then yeah, Dlamini will collect the ball so that he makes sure that he pass Mabasa. Mabasa is also gonna start in up front. On the left hand side is going to be Relebule Mofokeng as well as Monapule Saleng, guys. Monapule Saleng is back at Orlando Pirates, so I think we're going to put Monapule Saleng on the right hand side, guys. So how about that for Orlando Pirates against the Marumo Gallants, guys? So that is the starting lineup that I think Orlando Pirates is gonna use against the Marumo Gallants, guys. And as for Marumo Gallants, I know in front they're going to use players who they have that strength and ability to attack Pirates, but I think Marumo Gallants is going to use that strategy of attacking with one player only. Like what they did in the last match against Orlando Pirates, defending with all 9 men and attacking with only one player. And it ended up working. That style ended up working, and they get a goal. They managed to get a goal and some few goals as well to win that match. So yes, they're going to attack with Gabadino Manco because they know that he has speed and he's skillful. He's a very skillful player. So yeah, their hope will be in that boy, guys. And we know that their squad is also tough. So they have players like Abu Kolam Lambo, yeah, and they have star football players that they know that if they can bring in, they can make sure that they kill Pirates, guys, because you know that Pirates sometimes the teams playing against them because they want to beat this team the way it's so powerful, guys. So yeah, so that is how my predictions are, guys, and I'd also like to know your predictions. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for Chillest Analyst.